Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and
Biafra agitation is no longer tout. It's no longer motor park. Professionals have joined the league. We are making impact and alliances all over the
to support what we are doing. We need guns and we need bullets. I know we love life so much. That's why we name the human being a mad. That's why we come here. To kill somebody is very difficult for us. So to ask the gathering of people who please that we need guns and bullets and weapons will be very, very difficult for you to digest. But without it, our water will overrun us.
When our people are there doing everything to support Eastern Security Network, to create awareness and raise funds, you kick against it. At the end of the day, the same thing repeats itself over and over again. I am telling you today, the 29th day of July, we are changing the script. We are changing the script. That script of one Nigeria, that script of going to election every 4 years, that script of bring P2B, that script of an Igbo man can change Nigeria, that script of one Nigeria, we are changing it.
The zoo is finished, and there is nothing anybody can do about it.
Of that, but with a new breed of terrorists sponsored by the government who are willing to inflict mass casualties on our society. The proliferation and the upsurge has acquired a new sense of urgency to the Biafran people. And we have here to call for that urgency. The urgency is that the funding of the Eastern Security Network must be on daily basis. Everybody must now change this particular script and channel your tithes and everything to funding of the Eastern Security Network. Our own security. I want you, those of you who are shouting, if this kind of arms enters your village in any part of Biafra land today, who do you think will stand them? I am asking you. Who do you think will stand these people? You think that in Abuja, the army could not stand them? Is it in Anambra that a military man will come to stand them? Is it in Ebonyi State that a man will come, that police will come and stand them? Is it in Enugu State? The answer is no. And so who is going to stand against these people when they come? The same Eastern Security Network we are raising funds for. So, from this video, what conclusion are we to draw from the new security environment in Biafra land? What is our conclusion? What should we in effect, or what should we have in an effective security strategy? Look like some of you will begin to get your sense back. Let me give you a few pointers. First, I believe that any security strategy today has to do or has to be a very strategic or strategy of engagement. Either we tackle these challenges to our security when and where they emerge. We tackle it wherever they emerge. Or they will end up on our doorstep. Today, after the attack in Abuja yesterday, it has become imperative for this particular State of the Nation broadcast that if you are not yet part of funding the Eastern Security Network, the time is now. Otherwise, it may be in your doorstep. because Nigeria security agencies are part of them. And if you think that when this happened in Biafra land, all these governors will come and ask military to come and you are just living in full paradise. So, Ebubago military has been confirmed to be criminals from across other ethnic nationalities, and even Fulanis are now in Ebubago, in our own Biafra land. A Fulani man has become Ebubago. This is fact. And we must deal with it decisively. Our first priority now is to wipe Ebubago out of Biafra land, anywhere they are. That is number one move. Ebubago have never been seen engaging any herdsmen with AK-47. Ebubago has never been seen engaging anybody that has gone as a Fulani terrorist. Rather, Ebubago was formed to hunt Eastern Security Network, and we have openly declared that war. It is going to be between us and Ebubago, even though it is going to be a little bit distraction. Because, it is part of the war game. The war game is that you try as much as possible to distract your enemy. So, the governors in the southeast who are supporting Ebubago, they are our number one enemy. Because the people they recruited into Ebubago are not Biafrans. Those in the Igbo-speaking part of Biafra land, they are not Igbo-speaking. So what they do, they give them money and say, go after Biafra agitators. So you have come to understand today that Ebubago is never in any way to combat any terrorist attack or to combat any Fulani herdsmen carrying AK-47 or to do any other thing other than to look for Eastern Security Network and our young men and youth. 23, our arms is up and we are not taking it down. We are taking up arms to defend our land against the impending danger that if we do not do that, we will all be wiped away and nobody will ask questions and nobody will come for the aid of Biafra people.
So, my fantastic people, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like this video, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Subscription is free. Please smash on that subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, from here, I said bye.